Hello, in this video, I will show you how to test the significance of the correlation coefficient. So in this one right here, so the claim that we just have, like whether you have the correlation between the two set of data or not. Um, so you don't have greater, you don't have less than. You say either correlation or not. So therefore, your null hypothesis right here, rho is equal 0, and then alternative would be rho not equal 0. Rho is the population correlation, where R is the sample correlation coefficient. So that's two different things, right? So one of them sample and one of them population. So therefore, whatever you choose right here, you don't choose this for HA or H1, but you have to choose like rho right here. That's what you choose. Okay, so let's go down to the link below so you can upload the picture, I mean the problem like this one, and also the app right here. And before we do that, so there are three ways to draw conclusions. So first you can use the p-value, you can use the r value, and then you can use the t value. So there are three ways to do. So I'm gonna cover all of these here. So let's read the question right here. So a researcher wants to determine whether a linear correlation between the incomes and drawing nickel size. So he has children draw a nickel from his collection of nickels in different sizes right here. So he has like 36 sample from 36 country collected. And then he let the child pick. And then he knows the income of each family of each child, and then the income will be in thousands. For example, you see right here 17, that means 17,000. And then he have the child raw, the sample right here. Okay, so we're gonna, first you're gonna copy this right here. Copy this, and then you're gonna paste over here, right? Okay, so over here I have 36 sample, right? So make sure I over here I copy 36, okay? So you see that 36 sample right here. So I have to change the sample size right here to 36, right? And I have over here significant level over here 0.05. So I have to change this one to 0.05 right here. Yeah, okay. Then you have all the information you have in here. This one, you're gonna use this one to test. Use the data right here, the test value right here. So in this case, again, the HO always equal, and then the HA, the alternative HA or H1, this here rho is not equal to 0, right? So I use the test statistic right here, so I have that would be negative um, 0.0, I want 3 decimal right here, right? I mean 2080, right? So 2.08. Yeah, I can put like that, right? Or you can put one more if you want to, too. So they say at least 3. So I'm gonna give them 4. So there should be 3 right here. Yeah. Right. So I round it up here, 0.0803, right? And test critical values right here, this number right here. So when I have this one would be over here, that would be point. So it have both of them positive and negative, both of them, because you have two sides right here, we cannot equal. So I did choose positive only. So gonna have here will be 0.329, okay? 329, yes. Okay, you put in there, right? And then, so back before, right? So you have the p-value right here, 0.06, 0.6, right? This is bigger than alpha here, 0.05. So therefore, this one here, you fail to reject HO. So you're gonna do here, fail to reject HO. You can use another ways. You can choose that your test statistic right here, right? That t-value is inside this region right here. So it's okay. If it's in the red region, you will reject HO, but in here, like, you okay. And you also use this critical value and R value here you can do here. So let me show you how to test that way too. So I'm gonna draw a line. I have the line from here to here, right? It's right here. And then, so here is my 0. Here is my 0 right here. Yes, this is my 0. Okay, I have 0 right here. And then this number over here, that my point, negative 0.329 right here, right? So this one right here, negative 0.329, and this here would be my positive 0.329. And then my test statistic, let me write it here for you to see here. So that would be 0. I got silly my thing right here. Let me type in maybe easier. So this one will be 0.329, right? And then this one over here, that would be negative, yeah, negative 0.329, right? And then, so you see with that relationship right there, so you can see that my negative 0.08, so it's going to be somewhere over here, right? It's going to be somewhere right here. Yes. So that would be my test statistics is right here. That would be negative 0.0803. Right. So you see that just like the point right here inside this is inside this part right here. So it's not out into the red region. So therefore, this one you will fail to reject HO. So I mean, you write that right here. So you have including 0 right here. So you fail to reject HO. So in 3 ways, you will have the same conclusion, and that's what you have in there. So now with that, so fail to reject HO, that means you keep HO, right? So therefore, you will reject the claim, which is there is no relationship between two. So here, therefore, you're going to choose it here is not sufficient to support the claim because you keep the HO. So this one you choose. And this one right here would be the regression line right here. You see this one? So it could be negative 0.01 0.017 x, and then you plus 22.255, right? So this could be the answer. So when you submit this one, you should have all correct answer right here. Yeah, you have them there. Then again, when you see right here, the R value are very close to 0. So very weak correlation you have in there. Okay, I hope it helped.